Congratulations on your beautiful baby boy. He's amazing.
Excuse me?
Oh, you wanted a girl? Me too.
Did you just assume their gender?
He has a penis.
Don't mansplain me. And so what? They don't know what they want to be yet. So don't assume their gender, bigot.
Okay, I'm sorry. Do you have a name for your baby?
What? Baby? Are you serious? Don't assume they're a baby. They're not comfortable with that label.
Okay, well, do you have a name for your human? Your little human?
Human is a bit problematic. Also, it's sexist because it has the word man in it.
What is their name? Their name?
They are going to name themselves. Okay, I don't own them. Also, I've called the authorities because I did not give you consent to bring life into this world. This was a birth rape. Yeah, you birth raped me. And you forced life into existence. You're disgusting. You are disgusting. You're a disgusting, misogynist pedophile. How do you live with yourself? Delivering babies in a pandemic, really?